Having a little spindle trouble today. I think that's enough for that one. So since my spindle is sputtering, I suspect the brushes could be the first thing you'd look at. So we're going to take a quick look at the brush. Just a plastic holder. And here's the brush. I don't know if that means it's chewed up or not or what, but we're going to take a look at this, and I think I can swap it with the other one and make it go the other way. We're going to find out. What's the worst thing that happens? It might work, you know? It's a weird angle for those brushes. I've never seen an angle like that on a motor, but that's just because I'm not an electrical guy. I mean, you can see the wear is not on this angle. I don't know what the deal is with the angle. It really probably shouldn't have that. I would imagine it should have the whole surface, but again, not the guy. So I'm thinking I can put this one over here. Not that it matters, right? What's it going to do? Yeah, these are magnet motors, so they'll grab your tools. Just be careful of that. Okay, so I'm going to put that one back. Let's see if we can anyway. Tough to get these little plastic things started straight. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so this one. So the idea is if I swap them around, it's not going to do much, so I know it's not, because you're really just getting the point. So, I don't know. Waste of my time, I guess. Let's see, which way did that go now? This way. Okay, it goes down there. This is the part where it goes flying. Can't see the threads. Down there, oh, there they are. Okay. You want to back it up a little bit till you get it in the threads. Don't jam it in the plastic, you'll destroy that thing really quick. Okay, I'm going to just plug this in, see if it makes any noise. See what it does. Here's my red. And my ground. Okay, we're going to make this tight enough to test. How's that sound? Okay, let's see what happens. Hey, look at that. Look at that. It worked. Okay, so there's something you can take to the bank. Cheap fix, longer fix, you get newer ones, that's all. Just get new brushes.